Here we have a completely renovated standard PGO engine, though there is a racing crankshaft in it. There is also a new cylinder kit. All bearings in the engine have been changed to new except the two on the engine mount. The clutch has been changed, there's a new counter spring, there's a new stator, there's a new belt, lots of new parts. As I said, with a racing crankshaft, so if you want to put a tuning cylinder on it at some point at 70cc, you can do that without worries. I put it in the test bench here so we can see it. So as you see, 100% perfectly working order engine for sale on One Stop Engine Shop at motorbutikken.dk.